I also heard that Chase made a deal with KTM that he will not be training at Alden's. Have you heard this? So this is really interesting to me because I thought KTM was done making these deals. I thought that this was the deal breaker for Dungey. Like, Dungey kind of wanted to come back for another outdoor season, and KTM said, okay, you can come back, but you have to go train at the Baker's factory. And while Sexton is, kind of the guy coming up, you'd think that they would have more respect, at least just as much respect for Dungey, whom they know is a vet and can handle his own training regimen, knows what works for him. They wouldn't allow him to do it, but they'll allow Sexton to do it. I don't know, man. This is believable from Sexton for me because I've heard that he's kind of a prima donna as far as what he needs during testing. He needs a specific program tailored to him and only him by himself. He needs to be the guy. He needs to be weighted on, pretty hand and foot. I heard that's his kind of thing. So this wouldn't surprise me that he requested it, but it does surprise me that KTM has granted it. Oh, these airplanes.